There's nothing on yet, Corey.
I'm starting to record ready so I get to catch a little tune. Hello guys, I'm about to film a safety video. I started recording straight after the announcement. Said that we are about to leave. But there it is now, it's TV where I'll be filming from.
See? There's nothing on.
Here we go. Oh look, it's working as well.
Welcome aboard Commodore Commodore. This vessel complies with the very latest safety at sea standards. Your safety is of paramount importance, and we would ask you therefore to observe the following safety presentation. Even though you may have heard this announcement before, please pay attention to your experience with our fellow passengers. The emergency signal consists of 7 or more short blasts, followed by 1 long blast from a ship whistle or alarm bell. An announcement will then be issued by the captain on the public address system. Upon hearing the signal, you should proceed to your nearest assembly station. These are located within the ship's public area. Assembly stations can be identified by a square green and white sign. An arrow in each corner pointing inwards to a symbol depicting a family group. Assembly Station A is located in the casket bar, the aft end of deck 8. Assembly Station B is located in the brasserie lounge on deck 7. The direction to your nearest assembly station is shown by a white arrow on a green background, as well as floor-level photos luminescent strips. At your assembly station, crew members will issue life jackets for adults and children. These are worn in the following manner. Take the life jacket, undo the strap, hold it in front of you, and place it over your head. Pass the strap around your back, and put it together at the front. Pull the straps as tightly as possible, then tuck away the loose end. Attached to the jacket is the light and a vessel for attracting attention. Crew members will be on hand to offer assistance. Once you put on your life jacket, please remain calm and wait further instructions from the crew. Please read the safety instruction poster found on the backward cabin door and on display around the vessel. Identify your escape route and your nearest assembly station. There are 4 main emergency exits on the ship. 2 leading from the brasserie lounge on deck 7, and 2 leading from the casket bar and first-class lounge on deck 8. The 2 exits from the brasserie lounge lead aft along the outside decks to slides which feed into the night raft. Remove any objects in the pocket and remove all shoes at the entrance of the slide. Leave all your baggage behind. To descend the slide, get into a sitting position at the entrance to each slide. Keep your feet together, knees together, and hands above your head. Hold on to the horizontal grab bar directly in front and above you. When instructed, commence to descent, keeping your arms above your head and your legs straight and together throughout. The 2 exits on the casket bar and the first-class lounge lead directly to the lifeboats and are boarded by means of a slightly raised platform. Move quickly, do not push, there is plenty of space in the rafts and the lifeboats. Passengers with special legal disabilities will be directed to the lifeboats. Your crew has been thoroughly trained in evacuation and safety procedures. Be there to assist you. The master will have already informed the coastal rescue services who will be on their way. The vessel's position will be automatically transmitted to rescue services by satellite. Commodore Clipper also carries several first aid doctor's bag, resuscitator, and defibrillator. The crew have been fully trained in first aid procedures. Commodore ferries operate a no smoking policy inside the vessel's public areas, toilets, and passenger cabins. Smoke detectors are fitted within these areas. Tampering and protecting equipment is a criminal offence. Smoking on the car deck is not permitted. Passengers wishing to smoke must use the outside decks. Please use the ashtray provided. When moving around the vessel, please be aware of the ship's movement at all times, especially when completing stairs, doorways, or carrying items such as hot drinks. Please do not leave personal belongings unattended. Every precaution is taken to ensure your safety, so please relax, enjoy the facilities aboard Commodore ship, and have a pleasant journey. Thank you for choosing Commodore Ferries.
Thank you.